In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Zapier to Todoist, which is like giving Todoist a universal adapter for almost every other app you use. Zapier links thousands of apps together with simple automations, so connecting it to Todoist opens up a huge world of possibilities without writing a single line of code. Let's set it up. Start by opening your settings. The quickest way is to press the letter O, then the letter S, which takes you straight into the settings panel. In the list on the left, click Integrations. This is the home for every connection Todoist can make. At the top, click the Browse tab to open the full gallery of available integrations. You can scroll through the list or use the search box to find what you need. Look for the Zapier integration and click it to open its page. From here, the setup is straightforward. You'll click Connect and then sign into your Zapier account, approving the connection so Zapier is allowed to work with your Todoist. I won't log into a personal account on screen, but those are the steps. Click Connect, sign into Zapier, and approve. Now for the powerful part. With Zapier connected, you build little automations called zaps. A zap watches for something to happen in one app and then automatically does something in another. For example, a new email with a star could create a Todoist task, or a finished Todoist task could log a row in a spreadsheet, all completely hands-free. This is the integration for anyone who wants Todoist talking to apps that don't have a direct connection. With Zapier in the middle, almost anything becomes possible. Go ahead and connect Zapier in your own Todoist and start automating the busy work out of your day. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!